Hey guys, this is going to be your oral administration of the exit ticket for today. First thing you need to do is I want you to put in what period you have ELAR. So select your appropriate period. You're going to move on. Last name, first name. All right, just a reminder, remember, internal conflict is inside the character's thoughts, and external conflict is a force outside the character. For example, internal conflict, struggle within the character's mind or heart. External conflict, a struggle between two characters, between a character in nature. Mrs. Guerra and Mrs. Harrison have to kill a rattlesnake by the tennis court. Would you consider that external or internal conflict? Ms. Tribby's car won't start. Is that external or internal conflict? Coach Chona can't decide whether to coach football or bowling. Is that external or internal? A boy sits in class and wonders how to ask a girl to the dance. Is that external or internal? Mrs. Aceves decides whether to curl or straighten her hair. Is that external or internal? A student sees an iPad in the library and thinks about stealing it. Is that external or internal? Hurricane Dorian destroyed the Bahamas. Is that external or internal? Ms. Bay can't decide which virtual background to use in her Zoom classes. Is that external or internal? Mr. Cornwell considers stealing Mr. Reisinger's glue sticks. Is that external or internal? A student is late to class because their Zoom link wasn't working. Is that external or internal? Now for questions 11 through 12, write one example of each type of conflict below. Internal. Remember, internal conflicts are thoughts inside your brain. External. Remember, external conflicts are struggles with people and or nature. So you're going to write an example of each type of conflict below. Good luck, guys.